But if I want to withdraw from my dollar account, I'll click on my dollar account. You see, I'll click on my dollar account, then I'll click what. So this one is receive. So this one is receive mobile money. Receive mobile money. So I can withdraw my USD straight towards my mobile money. Then I'll click on continue. Yeah. So welcome once again to my YouTube channel. Yeah. On today's episode, because the dollar is always rising and our Ghana cedi is always depreciating, I want to show you one formula that you can start investing so that at the end of this year you can cash out big time. So on today's episode, I want to show you how to create a dollar account in Ghana with your Momo number or Momo account. If it's MTN Momo, Vodafone Cash, Tigo, everything, all you need is a Momo account. So no time to waste. I want us to jump on my phone screen so that I will show you step by step how you will create your dollar account with Momo number or Momo account. Before we start, you need certain things before you can create this dollar account online. Yeah, first of all, because it's a banking system online, you have to be a real person. So you must provide either your passport number or your Ghana card number, your Ghana card number, or your identity card number. Yeah, before you can create these things. Yeah, so welcome to my phone screen. Yeah, so before you start on my phone screen, I will leave a link in my description. Yeah, you have to download that app first before you can create your dollar accounts with your Momo. Yeah, so this is how the app looks like. The app name is Eversend. So after you download the app, then you click on it. So when you click on the app, it will appear like this. Yeah, so before you can start, you have to input your Gmail first. So let's create a new, let's say bioevans24@gmail.com. Then you click on continue. By continue, you confirm that you have read and agree with this. Yeah, then you click on OK. So then they say do not forget to check your spam. So hi, please enter the verification code we sent to this account. So they will send a code to your Gmail. So then let's go to our Gmail. So let's go to our Gmail. Then you so this is the code they sent to me. Eversend app. So this is the code they sent to me. So I'll copy the code. So I'll copy the code. Then I'll go back to the app. So right now, create an account. This will be quick. So you have to choose Ghana, the country. You have to choose Ghana. So you have to choose Ghana. Then you enter your number. The number you have to enter should be Momo number. Should be your Momo number. Yeah, so this is my mobile number. So if you want to send me any amount, Charlie, magic. All right, I'll collect it. Yeah, so then I'll click on continue. You will, you will be verifying the phone number. Yeah, so then I hope you are following the step by step. So right now they'll send a verification code to the number. Yeah, so I've received the verification code. Then I'll go to my messages. So after confirming your the Momo number, then this one pop up. That's your profile details. And make sure that when creating your profile details, you should not use any nickname. You have to use the name on your passport or on your identity card. Yeah. So let's say the first name, Bio. So the first name is Evans, and the last name is, let's say, Kabuna Bio. I'm doing it for doing 6, so Charlie. So the date of birth, let's say April. And something says, then you click continue. Then you create a password. Yeah, you create a password. Let's say the password. It's a weak password. So make sure that the first letter has to be capital. Then you create a pin. Let's say the pin is 2000, because it's like a bank. So the app have to be safe so that people will not log into your app when they collect your phone or when they steal your phone to withdraw the money from it. So you have to create a pin on the app. Let's see, 1990. Something went wrong. Try again later. I don't know the reason why it's doing that, or I don't know. Maybe I've created almost 3 accounts with this same phone. I don't know whether that's why it's doing that. But we will still continue. So after creating the password for your app, then it will take you to a place that you confirm whether you are a human being or not a human being. So they will ask you about your identity card, so you can provide your passports or your identity card. So after that, then they will scan your face, whether the face match the face on the identity card. So after you scan your face, then the accounts will open. So let me open the demo one I created this afternoon to do my tutorials. So let me open the demo one. So let's assume you have created the accounts already. So you have followed the process to create the accounts. So let me open the one I created this afternoon to do my tutorials. This is not my original account. This is the one I created to do my tutorials. So you see, when I entered my Gmail, because I'm already on the app, it's taking me to enter your code. So let me enter my code. So right now the app has been open. Yeah. So because I wanted to do a tutorial with my main account, I have to withdraw all my money, because I don't want people to say, oh, like he wants us to see the money he has. That's why he's doing the tutorial with this app. That's why I withdraw all this Yeah, I will do all the money I have in this. So right now, this my Ghana account. That's the main that I don't have anything. Let's assume I don't have anything inside. Yeah, and this one is my dollar account. That one too, I don't have anything inside. Yeah. So if you want to load money to your Ghana number with your Momo, so that after that you can exchange to a dollar, you have to load it. But right now they sent me message that their Momo account is down, but tomorrow it will come. So you will see the Momo one to down here. Then you click on it to load your funds. So after loading it and you want to exchange your Ghana cedi to a dollar cedi, you click on exchange. So let's say, so this one is the exchange rate on the app. So 1 USD is equal to $12.63. Because right now 1 USD is $13, 13.13 on the market. But on this app, 1 USD is equal to 12.63. Yeah. So let's assume that right now the balance is zero. That's so our USD balance is also zero. So let's assume you want to do a transaction from our Ghana account, that's our Momo account, to our dollars. Then we will enter, let's say, 1,000. So 1,000, because the amount is not there, that's why the balance is zero, it's red. So 1,000. So when you transfer 1,000 from Ghana cedi to USD, it's equal to $79.2. So when we click on, because we don't have any money inside, that's why this one is not blue. So when you click on the continue, it will exchange from 1,000 to your dollar account. Then your dollar account will be 79.2 balanced. So when you exchange, the 79.2 will be here, like balance is equal to 79.2. That means you have to transfer your money from your Ghana cedi to your dollar account. So after you transfer the money to your account, when you go here, you'll see that your dollar account, the USD is equal to this, and the Ghana cedi is, yeah. So you see everything there, yeah. So when you save it, and when you see that right now the dollar has increased more and you want to exchange to Ghana cedi, then you click here. You see that right now the USD is on top and the Ghana cedi is down. So let's say the 79. Let's say the 79. Right now you see that they have increased it, so 0.679. So when you transfer the 79 to your Ghana cedi account, you see that you now have 977.63 Ghana cedis. Or let's say you have 80 in your dollar account. You see that right now, if you exchange from the USD to the Ghana cedi, it will be 990 cedis. 990 cedis. That's 9.9 million. Okay, yeah. So 990 cedis. Yeah. So when if you want to keep the money in your dollar account, so let's say when dollar increase to, let's say, 15 cedis, 20 cedis, then you have so let's say you deposit 1,000 in your dollar accounts, and right now the dollar is 15 cedis. Then that means you have more interest, and if you want to withdraw it, then you exchange your USD to Ghana cedis. And after that, if you want to withdraw the money, you go here, you go send, you go to send, then you click on mobile. So this is my Momo number. This is my Momo number. So if I want to withdraw the money, then I'll click on it. Then I'll do what? I'll click on continue. So let's assume I have almost, you see, so this one is the Ghana cedi. Ghana Cedi. If I want to withdraw from Ghana Cedi to my mobile account, this is it. But if I want to withdraw from my dollar account, I'll click on my dollar account. You see, I'll click on my dollar account. Then I'll click what? So this one is receive receive. So this one is receive mobile money. Receive mobile money. So I can withdraw my USD straight towards my mobile money. Then I'll click on continue. Then it will be on my mobile money. Yeah. So I'll leave the script. I'll leave the link of this app in my description so that you can download it. So if you don't understand anything, you can link me up and I will explain everything to you. Yeah, if you call me or WhatsApp me on the number in my description, I can explain everything to you. Yeah. So thank you for watching my YouTube video. Yeah, this all the tutorial how you can create a dollar account with your mobile money. Yeah, so thank you. Watch me live. My name is Kenny Rhymes. I'm out.